Alright, so we're going to be taking this GT55 Coupe for a quick point of view test drive, just so you guys can see how it is to get in, drive it, and the feel of the car. Lovely back end, nice aggressive front end, which looks pretty amazing. Alright, let's get in it. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and just put on race mode. Exhaust opens up. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Alright, you got the burbles there and everything. Alright, let's put that spoiler up also. You can see it raising there. It's raised up. Alright, let's go. Heads up display there in the front. Alright. Oh yeah. You can hear the burbles and the exhaust. The car sounds amazing. Yeah, it handles really nice. Definitely gets your blood pumping here. All right, just trying to back around. Always make sure to be in a straight line once you floor it. Oh, it sounds amazing. They did a really good job with this. Suspension is not crazy stiff, even on race mode. It's still comfortable. Yeah, it's an amazing car. If you're contemplating it, I highly suggest taking a test drive. Still, it doesn't look super exotic or anything like that. The turning radius, it's great. Again, easy on the gas, then you can go. We're back at it. All right, self-parking and all that, all the luxury stuff you expect from a Mercedes. Alright, so I passed the spot. It's gonna let us know it's right there. We'll press that again. Let go of everything. And it's gonna do its magic for us, which is pretty amazing. The parallel